Are you someone who constantly worries that using online AI tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT can lead to sneaky data leaks or exposing your code to server that might store or train on them or even breach it? So if privacy is the main concern for you, this solution right here will put an end to your concerns. And the solution is to use DeepSeek locally in your VS Code, which eliminates all the risks by keeping all the pros offline on your machine, which means no code snippets sent over any third-party APIs and having full control over all your resources. This privacy-first approach of using DeepSeek can be achieved via Olama, which will help the model to run in a local setting. So let's get straight into how you can do it. Go to olama.com and click on the download button. Select the operating system that you are using and click on the download button and wait for the installer to download. Once the installer has done downloading, you can run it and it will open this where you have to click on the install button where it will set up all the install for Olama. It has done installing and now I can close this window, and to check if it's running you can click on the arrow button in your status bar and it will show you Olama icon over here. Now to download your model you need to search the model first and click on the DeepSeek R1, then select the parameter of the model. Mind you, the higher the parameter is, the better the model runs. But as we are using it in a local setting, you will need designated GPU to run the model with higher parameters. So for starters, we can use this 8 billion parameter, and now simply copy this command from here. Now to run this command, you'll have to open your PowerShell and simply paste this command and enter to start the installation process. It will take a while to install, so let's wait. The installation process has completed and you can type /? to see the available commands. Well, let's not get into that and quickly set up our VS Code to run this model. Open your Visual Studio and go to the extensions from the sidebar and search for continue, and you'll see this extension which you can install by clicking on this install button here. After it's done installing, you can see the continue icon in your sidebar. So click on this icon and it will open this chart for you. Then click on the select model and you'll see there are no model configured. So click on the add chat model, and now from the providers you need to select Olama, and for the model you can either select the DeepSeek R1 or you can let it auto detect the model and click on the connect and the model will be configured. Now to use this model, open any of your file and select the code that you want to use it on and right click and you'll see the continue option here, and you can add it to the chat or you can edit it. I'll add it to chat and ask a question related to it. I have asked the agent to explain this code to me, and I'll click on the enter and it will start generating a response for me, and it is done generating a response. It has explained the code in detail for me and I can ask any follow-up questions regarding the response that has been given. Similarly, you can edit the code by adding it in the chat and giving the instruction on how you want it to be edited. But keep in mind that this model has less parameters and it's running locally, so it might be slow and might not give the most accurate answers, but it does resolve your safety and privacy concerns. So this is how you can replace the online AI tools in your Visual Studio with DeepSeek using Olama and Continue extension.